everyone, welcome back to my channel at House Number 24. I am Usha, today welcoming to another video. Someone who is foodie will definitely going to enjoy. Hope you're all doing good. I am also doing good. I had a little delay in uploading videos because I lost my pen drive and at the same time my garden was damaged due to heavy rain in Bangalore. So it's kind of busy fixing my garden from the scratch. I will share all the blogs and details in the coming video. Stay tuned to it. So this video is all about food and what I experienced. Let's get on to the video and enjoy this video. Someone is visiting for the first time. I am Usha. I'll share my experience, my journey, parenting, gardening and lifestyle. So let's get on to the video. So I'm taking you all to Gowdru Hotel, that restaurant. It is in Banaswadi and also Indiranagar. They have two branches. Somebody is missing your mom cooked food and you want to taste them in Bangalore, then you have to visit here. Getting quality and good taste is something very difficult in non-vegetarian. So if you are looking for quality and good taste, then you have to go and visit this place. It is a home style restaurant for the non-vegetarian lovers. So that's what I said, foodies will definitely love it. I love trying all different food, so I was very happy visiting here. This was, my husband took me there because I was missing my mom cooked keema balls because I love that. That is something my favorite food. On my birthday I was missing that, and it was a weekday, 16th June, so I was not able to travel either that way or do in my home because I was bored of cooking my own food and eating. Yeah, mom food is always tastier than anything else, so it is something near to that what you get it here. I've showed all the menu here. They have chicken, mutton, fish, biryanis, all desi food. You get ragi ball also. Somebody wants to try, you can. And they serve in this banana leaves. That is something very nice. I love it. And it is not, this hotel is not too much of ambience. It is simple, nice, elegant, decent hotel. The one thing I loved is they have all national leaders who have done a lot for us. Many hotels will have something fancy paintings, this and all, but leaders and freedom fighters were there here. That is something very nice. They are leaving that values in this hotel. Yeah, let's try the food and I'll share the experience. How was it? It is a family restaurant. You can take your family and go and enjoy. But if you're going in afternoon, it may be crowded, and in weekends. So we were at 12:30, like 12. So it was like before the crowd starts. So we were able to enjoy the food. Plan something like this. First, we started with the keema ball. It is for 245 or 4 balls. You get it with a nice curry. It is tasting good and very neat. Food, you get it everywhere. Getting neat and tasty is something very important. Very rarely you would find it. So that is something you will get it here. This restaurant promises that. With that nice curry was also very nice. So we enjoyed it. My soul was happy because I was missing my mom and my mom cooked food. So somewhere, yeah, it made my day with that tasty and nice food. Yeah, next I'm trying here boti fry. I'm not that great fan of it, but just for tasting bit I did try. It is really nice and neat. Yeah, that boti fry also, it should be neat, only then you can take it. Then we ordered mutton fry and kebab. So these are the plates they serve it. The quantity is like okay for 2. So this is a brief details about this hotel. Hope you guys can go and enjoy the meal what we enjoyed as well. I have given the menu in the starting itself, so you can refer what are the things that you get it over there. So you can, if you're having any cravings of it, go and try them. They are in 2 branches. One is Banaswadi and Indiranagar. It is not a paid promotions nor collaboration. It is something we just went there and got a thought I will blog so that it will be useful for you guys. Somebody is missing your mom and want to try something new, then you can go there. Taking a signing off from this Desi style Gowdru Hotel from Banaswadi branch. If you're going there or you've been there, please comment me and let me know. Hope you like this content. If you like, do not forget to share, subscribe and stay connected. I'll see you in another video. Till there, take care, keep smiling. Bye.